Hello P2 and welcome to our week 4 Friday dictation. So this week we've been focusing on consonant, vowel, consonant words where the middle vowel is letter O, making the O sound. So I'm going to dictate 4 sentences. They're going to have the words that you were learning this week in them. I'm sure you know what you're doing now, but I want you to listen first and don't write anything until I've called out each sentence twice. Okay? Remember those 3 things that we need when you're writing your sentences as well. To start with a capital letter, end with a full stop, and have finger spaces in between your words. Okay? We're ready. I can hop in. I can hop in. A mop is on top. A mop is on top. The can went pop. The can went pop. Let go of Tom. Let go of Tom.